What if everything became about service because now we are opening to the flow? Someone said if you're just working for the benefits, you are far underpaid, because nothing will give you the fulfillment and satisfaction of owning what you're doing and doing it from a spirit of service. I know for myself, I'm not here because a job. I don't do what I do because of a job. My father, many years ago, he said, look, if you go to law school, I will pay for it. It wasn't my calling, right? It wasn't what I was pulled to do. I do what I do because this is part of my heart. This is what Spirit guides me to do. This is what I've been drawn to do. And so it's something that's organic. It's something that, it's not, oh yeah, just to get a paycheck or yeah, whatever. It's because you feel it in who you are, right?